Okay, so it seems like I've been tasked with actually telling you that it's all over and it's basically time to go home. So I'm not going to take very long. I'm not going to do a summary of all the talks or anything like that. I'm just going to bring up a couple of personal reflections, basically. We've seen a lot of excellent presentations today. All of them, of course, interested in the cloud, in large-scale services, and working with very, very big data sets and extracting value from them. But we've seen presentations looking at hardware and gathering data. We have seen presentations about storage and how to accelerate that and keep more and more stuff in memory and things like that. How to do different types of analytics and so on and so on. So it's actually a very wide and broad field of applications and technologies that we've had to look at today. Still, it sort of feels a little bit like it's not quite a community, but it's at least a rather coherent group of like-minded people, which is really, really interesting. And I've been following this area for quite a number of years now, been coming to these meetings, been doing research here, and I'm still impressed by the speed of that things are actually happening, both in industry and in academia. And it's not like we are developing stuff in academia and push it to industry and then it gets used there. No. Both of us, both industry and academia, build stuff, we build on each other and so on. And personally, I get very, very happy when I hear talks like from Kostas this morning about Flink and iterative computing and doing more and more stuff in memory and things like that. And for example, the Tachyon talk about keeping more and more stuff in memory, because I'm at heart a machine learning guy. I need these things to do stuff really quickly and really, really cool applications. So we're almost there. And I have to say that it's more fun now. I've been working in my whole working life in computer science. It's more fun now than it's ever been, basically, because now things are really, really taking off. So that really, really feels great. And I think we can do some really, really cool stuff in the future. And that's about all from me. Before we just thank all the speakers one more time, and thank you all for coming, would you like to say a couple of words, Safe, or no? Then, thanks again to all the speakers. Excellent talk.